Pawtucket, and welcome to episode 6 of Cooking with Our Community. Today we have a very special guest, Superintendent Dr. McWilliams.
Hi everyone, and thank you, Josh. I can't tell you what a pleasure it is for me to be here cooking with you and also sharing this experience with the Pawtucket school community. So thank you all, and thank you for having me. And I can't wait to see what is on the menu for today.
Absolutely, you're very welcome. So it's great to have you. You know, we've wanted to have you for a while now, but it's been a busy year. Absolutely.
Yes, very busy.
So we're looking forward to having you. Let's get to work. Let's see what we have in our bags here. So,
all right.
As you all know, you came out and got the distance learning meals today. We actually have for you a chicken ranch flatbread. So,
one of my favorites too. One of my favorite meals.
And we're happy to hear that.
Flatbread.
Our grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken and our flatbread, because we know that it starts with the flatbread,
Yeah.
the grilled chicken.
We have our peppers as a vegetable. We have nice green and orange peppers that are starting to become in season as we move towards the nice weather that's upon us.
I really like peppers.
A little bit of ranch dressing here. That'll be our sauce base today. So this is technically a white pizza. No red sauce or anything, just gives it a different flavor base, and this works well with the peppers and the grilled chicken.
And no pizza would be complete without cheese.
That is right. We have our cheese. And also we have some fresh cut strawberries as our fruit or vegetable side here today. So
awesome.
That
Strawberries are really, this is a really healthy meal.
Very healthy. It's very light, very healthy. As we move into the nice weather, this is very popular. And of course, our QR code that we've already used to get to this channel via the QR code that you received in your meal. You just scan this. It's simple. We also, if you visit our Pawtucket Food Service Program YouTube page, you'll also notice that we have bloopers up from our first 5 episodes, as well as our full-length first 5 episodes as well. So that's all we have in our bags. Let's get to work.
All right, let's get to work. This has been a great experience having this opportunity to cook with you. And we start with our pan.
Absolutely. So we are going to first open up our flatbread.
Open up our flatbread.
We will lay that out.
This is a good week too, Josh, because we welcome back our high school students. We're glad to have them back in person now. So that is awesome.
That's correct. So it's good. Shay Tolman, JMW, all back in action.
All back, besides our PK through 8 who have been back.
That's right. So it's great. Just in time for the nice weather. So get our flatbread laid out.
Yes.
And you want to make sure you have your parent supervision at home when you're doing all of this. We are going to turn the ovens on in a little bit. So we'll get our ranch dressing, open that up, and you can spread that around. Pour that right in there. We're going to use a spoon to spread it.
Cooking is so much fun, and I find it relaxing too. I hope that you have an opportunity, boys and girls, to cook with your family. It is a joy.
And it's nice to do as a family. You come together,
It is.
if you have children that can help cook the meals and be a part of that, and then to sit together around the table, I know,
Right.
one of my favorite parts of the night. All right, this looks good too. So we've got our cheese. We'll spread the cheese out now evenly throughout
Cheese.
amongst the pizza.
A lot of cheese too. Oops, a little bit too much there.
And spread that all around.
And this is a really easy meal, which I really like too. When you have a long day, it's nice to have an easy meal. Fresh vegetables, always really important. And I like the fact that they are cut thin. Now, if you're going to cut up vegetables, though, you really want to make sure that you have supervision.
Absolutely. I'd say leave that to mom and dad until we get you some proper training on that. And that's something we want to look forward to, for coming years, is getting more, really, some culinary cooking classes after school with our program.
That would be wonderful, wonderful.
So we have our green and orange pepper strips laid out, and we're going to go ahead and put on our protein, which is the chicken. And everything's pre-portioned for you. All you have to do is put it together. We like to make it as easy as possible. Again, for the parents out there that are working, or they have their busy days, our students are learning all day, so
Right.
we want to take the meals off of your plate and be able to set you up for success at the end of the day.
With a nice, nutritious meal. quite a bit of protein there too.
Yes, it
It's
is.
going to be a very full pizza.
All right, so once that's put together, we're going to take a break here. We're going to preheat the ovens. Again, making sure you have your parent supervision when doing this, but you want to turn your ovens on. I would preheat these to 350. 350 is a good number for really any type of cooking. That's really the base layout number. Doing the 350, these should take in the oven about 6 minutes, 6 or 7 minutes.
That's quick.
Very quick. Again, nice and easy. Keep an eye out. Just make sure the cheese is melted, and really that's the focus here. So we're going to have you take a look at a couple of slides of information that we have going on, and then we will be back.
And then we can enjoy this very easy meal.
Absolutely. All right. All right, welcome back.
Welcome back, everyone. This looks so delicious, this chicken ranch flatbread pizza.
Sure
I can't
does.
wait to try it. You know what? Can I tell you a joke about a pizza joke?
I love jokes.
All right. Do you want to hear a joke about a pizza? Nah, I can't tell you. It's too cheesy. That's my joke for the day.
That's a good one. I'm going to tell that at home tonight.
But seriously, this looks great. Fresh vegetables. What a good meal.
Sure does. So this was in the oven, like I said, 6 or 7 minutes. We already took it out of the oven. Just make sure you have your parents' supervision when doing so. Have them do it for you. Actually, it's going to be quite hot. As well as, however, a pizza cutter or a knife at home when you're slicing that. So we're going to cut it. We're going to take a bite, continue our
Looking forward to
conversation,
it.
and
Right. You know what's coming up soon, Josh? We have April vacation coming up in
Sure
a
is.
few weeks. April vacation, boys and girls, is April 19th through the 23rd. Could you tell us during April vacation the food services, the meals that will be provided?
I sure can. So, like the previous vacations that we've had, we're going to make sure you have meals for every day of the week there. So we're going to be serving meals on Friday, April 16th. We're going to give you 5 days of meals to cover you through that Tuesday. And then we'll be back on Wednesday, the 21st of April, with 5 more days. And that'll take you through the rest of the April vacation as well.
Wonderful.
So we're going to unmask safely, again, just to take our sample, and we'll give you some feedback.
I'm sure it's going to be delicious because we cooked it.
That's right.
Oh, that is really good.
That is very good.
You know what you can also do besides putting in the oven with springtime coming? You can also grill pizza. Have you done that before?
I have, once or twice.
Oh, I really do like that. Maybe you could show us and someday have a grilled pizza.
Yeah, I think that'd be a good idea. With grilling season right around the corner, I mean, that's another option for cooking at home. I know for myself, I've already cleaned the grill and cooked a dinner or two out there, so it's another alternative. You don't have to heat the house with the oven. Go outside. Just make sure grill's properly cleaned. Make sure the propane's full. Change that out. Just another option for cooking. So that's
I so
great idea.
much enjoyed this. I'm going to finish my piece later, and I hope that everybody enjoyed this delicious meal and also all the meals that you're sharing with us every other week. We really appreciate that. We
Thank you.
appreciate our RMOC team and what they do for our families. Cooking with our community is so important to us, and thank you for taking the
Well, thank
time
you.
out of your schedule to do it.
Thank you. You're very welcome. We're happy to do it for the kids and the community, and we enjoy doing it every week. So we hope you enjoy this episode. Enjoy the nice weather as it comes out. Continue to look for us. We serve Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And just one more piece of information, our golden ticket raffle that we've had with Mondays in March, that comes to an end. So we will be picking the grand prize winner on Thursday, April 8th. We have a 160-piece set of art materials donated by Allegra Printing in Providence. So
Nice.
great grand prize. Be on the lookout for that. We're going to do a Facebook drawing on live. We'll let you know who the winner is. We have emails, and that's something we've done as well. So we look forward to continuing to serve you throughout the rest of the school year, and enjoy the rest of your week.
Have a great day and enjoy the chicken ranch flatbread pizza.